How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best free live sports apps to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is actually pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, what you gotta do is of course get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. And you can get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your Firestick, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader in the search. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You gotta click on it, and there's the app that you need to get to your device. So you get it to your Fire Stick, but after that it's actually not ready to use yet because you still need to set it up. And to set up Downloader, we'll need to go to Settings by clicking this gear icon right here. Then you scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. We open it, wait a bit, and now there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more really important thing that I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Romania right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your device, and then finally open Downloader on the Fire Stick. And now here, in the search bar, what you have to do is entering the codes that will give us access to different sports applications. So now the first code will be 504 and then 524. So once again, 504 524. That's the first code we're gonna enter. Click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now when the website has opened, we just need to scroll down a bit and click on Download for Amazon Fire TV button. And now the download of the first app has started. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. And then you click Install and just wait a bit for the app to finish installing on the Fire TV stick. And after that, after the app is installed, you click on Done and make sure to delete the unnecessary installation files from your Fire TV stick by clicking delete and delete once again. This way, you get rid of the unnecessary files and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default, your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you open it, and in here you will find the first app that we have downloaded. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. Then feel free to go and open the app on your Fire Stick. And now from here, you'll get access to thousands of channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in this app, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So just like that, by getting this app, you get access to lots of content. And it was only the first app that we got for you. And now we shall go back to the loader and I'll show you even more amazing applications like this one. So you have to open Downloader again, and now we'll get access to even more applications. So the second code will be 302390. So once again, 302390. Hit the Go button, and now the download of the second application should start right after we click on that green Download APK button right here. So click on it. And now in just a couple of moments, the download process shall start. And that's right, here it is. And just wait a bit for the app to finish downloading. And then of course you also have to install it to your device. So here you go. And now the app will be installed to the Fire Stick. Then, just like previously, click on Done to delete unnecessary files from your device. And after that, we are ready to go back to the list of apps. Here it is, and there's the new sports application that we got for you. So of course, we're also going to put it up front for easy access and then open the app. And from here, you'll also get quite a lot of different contents and channels from different countries all around the world. So that is the second app that we got for you today. And now let's go back to Downloader for the third application. So again, we open up Downloader. Here you go. Go to back to search. And now we'll be entering the last code, which will be 119 and then 368. So once again, 119368. Click on that Go button. And now the download of the last application today should start. That's right, the download started. So just make sure that it finishes. And then of course, we also have to install the app to your device and afterwards delete unnecessary files. And that was the third application that we have got to your Fire Stick today. So if you go back to the list of applications, you shall open it up. And there's the third application, which is called Sports Fire. So put it up front and of course enjoy all the 3 amazing apps we got for you. And of course also stay safe online by using the VPN. See you next time. Bye bye.